Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making Ofe Owerri, and this is my first time making it, and I'll be using some grilled duck for this recipe. So since the duck is already grilled, I'm just going to put that straight into the pot and add in some water, and I'll be adding my dried fish that is already soaked, and I'm going to allow this to boil for a minute. So I'll be adding my crayfish, palm oil and dry pepper. This recipe I'll be using the grounded cocoyam. I could not get the fresh ones. I do not want my soup too thick, so I'll be using just this quantity. And next I'll be adding my ogiri. Now I'm adding my ukazi leaf and ugu leaf, and I'm going to leave this to boil for a while and the soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.